There is a part of the health coverage world almost no one explains clearly. First, let's look at HealthShares on one side, private medically underwritten insurance on the other. For people paying full price, the difference between them can mean thousands of dollars a year, and a very different experience when something big actually happens. HealthShares and private insurance sound similar, but they operate on completely different rules. The first thing to understand is that HealthShares are not insurance. There is no contractual promise that a claim will be paid. Instead, members agree to share bills based on written guidelines, lifestyle expectations, and limits around pre-existing conditions. Only a small fraction of recognized ministries offer large, open membership. Most are more selective about who can join. It is a community sharing model that can work for many members, but there is no state-backed guarantee if something is not shared. Between Obamacare and HealthShares, there is a third lane many people barely hear about. Private medically underwritten plans are real insurance, filed with state regulators and backed by contracts. The trade-off is underwriting. Approval depends on health history, prescriptions, build, and sometimes occupation. For healthier applicants, those plans can sometimes cost less than full-price marketplace coverage, with different network options. Recent federal rules narrowed how long many short-term policies can last, so the focus has shifted to more stable private options. When people weigh HealthShares against private insurance, 3 questions usually decide the fit. First, underwriting versus guidelines. One asks if you qualify medically up front. The other applies sharing rules to conditions. Second, who actually carries the risk? Insurance transfers it to the company. A HealthShare distributes it within the member community. Third, what happens with big claims? Some plans cap your out-of-pocket. Some programs have per-incident limits or separate tiers. None of those features are automatically good or bad. They just shape who each option may realistically fit. For anyone paying full, unsubsidized premiums or deciding between a HealthShare and private insurance, the choices are vast. The choices can feel messy. Obamacare, private insurance, and HealthShares each have a place. The key is matching them to your health, budget, and your individual comfort with risk. Clear Choice Health Insurance exists to walk through that comparison calmly and honestly, so you can spend less time decoding fine print and more time living your life.